Remove the curling stove. Draw out after having loosened 4 screws. Take down the first curling plate. Loosen the screws of the second plate. Take down the second curling plate. Take out the curling cover at last. Remove the knurling stove. Take down the aluminum ring. Loosen the screws on the knurling plate. Knurling wheel is tight, you can take it out by other tool. Then the knurling plate can be taken down. Remove 2 blowing stove. Take down the blowing cover after having removed the screws. Just take out the middle screw for the stove core. Remove the second blowing stove by the same method. Remove the bottom folding stove. Loosen 4 screws. After having pulled out oil pipe, you can take down the 2 plates directly. Now, the removal of the blowing stove part is completed.